Hi, Conrad Mast, Director of Installation Support here at ProVia. In this video, I want to take a quick look at a DualTech tilt latch removal and replacement on an Endure double hung window. To start, raise the sash slightly and tilt inward. Rest the sash on a firm surface. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the lock. Remove the lock from the window frame by lifting and turning. To remove the tilt latch, push the latch outward as shown. To install the new tilt latch, insert the retraction arm of the latch through the hole in the edge of the sash and ensure that the latch is properly oriented as shown. Push the tilt latch in and hook the retraction arm onto the sash frame as shown. With the lock in the unlocked position, insert the hook into the receiver of the retraction arm and place the lock in the opening, and then carefully test the function of the tilt latch. Secure the lock to the sash, being careful not to over-tighten the screws. Tilt the sash back up into place and operate to ensure functionality. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit us at ProVia.com.